57 of them burning out of control. 17.8 million acres.
Tom, they're going to have to DNR me, because you know for yourself, poor people, healthcare absolutely suck. They get a zero. If I can rate it low, I would. They just ain't going to give us no decent healthcare. They're going to give you lying diagnosis, thinking you finna do a bone marrow, talking about you got blood cancer and someone poison your bloodstream and all your fucking vital signs is perfect. And you go to the doctor for a whole nother thing and they want to lie. You got blood cancer. I took them goddamn CBC test to a doctor. All of my networkies, I can tell you right now, baby. First of all, you're a goddess. And why wouldn't nobody give you your sleeping pills? Because I can tell you right now, you don't have nobody's cancer. And why would doctors lie to you like that? I mean, destroyed me. I was ready to jump in Lake Michigan on that bitch doctor from Northwestern, Veronica Johnson. I requested a black primary doctor. And when she walked in the room and saw me, saw how fine and sexy and healthy I was, ooh, she undressed me with her eyes. Ooh, they told me they fired her, but I kept searching. They took her to another department. She worked in an obese department. Now I knew they weren't gonna find no fucking doctor. I don't care how much she lied to me.
Hillary joining us now live at O'Hare.
Now I couldn't even get a lawyer for malpractice. You can't get no damn lawyer unless a police put his knee on your neck and the world see it. Then you can get a lawsuit. Other than that, no law's gonna help no poor person. And I'm fucked up. I know I could have got a good malpractice check. They ain't gonna help you. Bottom line, people. I often ask myself, I'm damn near 61 years old, never ever missed the election. Why do I vote? This world is for the middle class and the wealthy. And if you ain't rich or middle class, you ain't shit in America. Can I get a woo woo?